Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hide dim display settings after so many minutes or hours from appearing in power options on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So it should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match to come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I will have a command in the description of the video, guys. Starts with powercfg. So go ahead and copy that. And then go up to the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit, and then select paste to paste it in. Hit enter on your keyboard. Once you have a blinking cursor, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. If you launch Power Options, that option to dim after so many minutes or hours should no longer be present. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.